New details tonight as 10 TV learned a construction worker has died after someone drove through a work zone. It happened on I-70 westbound earlier this morning. Now, despite the time pass, crews still have that part of the highway completely blocked off. This all happened just after 2 a.m. Now, this is video from the ODOT camera overlooking that I-70 and 71 split by Parsons Avenue. Columbus police say a driver was going west on I-70 near State Route 315 when they drove into the construction zone. Police add the driver was a man who then swerved to the right, hitting a worker and a generator. That man then kept going. The worker died there shortly after it happened, and according to ODOT, the worker was not from the state's department. Now, police are looking for any information relating to the driver. They say the car was a maroon Toyota sedan. If you have any information, you're asked to call police or the Central Ohio Crime Stoppers. Now, in the meantime, we do have a detour for you just in case you need to travel in this area. Unfortunately, as you can see on your screen, the best way to continue on I-70 westbound or even State Route 315 is to take I-71 northbound, then 670 westbound. The alternate route will add some time to your commute, so make sure you plan ahead. Once again, crews expect this area to be closed off until Monday.